Welcome to the tutorial on how to create a puzzle engager. So first of all, let me start with the presentation of the sample engager that we have here in the account, the puzzle sample for Taxi Talk events around Cadence platform. So we click play over here, and this is the first page that your participants will see, the welcoming page. Again, we have the ranking boards that will be updated in the live mode based on the results of the participants. We have the picture, the logo, so we could have up to 3 logos on top here, and the space for the text and for the headline. So the participants could click start and go to the user authentication page or data collection page. So over here, we have prepared the question, which is asking the full name of the participants. So mine here, I will accept the terms and conditions and click enter. The next page is the storytelling page where we can outline the text, the headline, the logo, the image, and click start. So in this case, Michael, the CEO of Cadence platform, was sharing certain interesting information about the team of Cadence, about their culture. So pretty cool platform. The next page is where you will be playing the game. So if the previous one, the storytelling one, was the introductory to the game, and usually we recommend to connect the content that you're placing into the puzzle with the storytelling page. So in this case, you're telling the full story right from the very first slide to the very end of the experience where you're incentivizing the participants to go and check certain pages, meaning the call to action page. So over here you have the puzzle, and you just need to drag and drop the pieces and to complete the puzzle faster than your competitors, your rivals, other participants. So my kids taught me that I should start from the corners, and we just drag and drop pieces one by one. So as you can see here, we have created a really interesting puzzle, which tells a really cool story about Cadence platform, about their corporate culture. So this is the team of Cadence celebrating something. Uh, well, it's always great to put picture as a puzzle that can tell a story. By the way, they could go and check the help button over here where you have a visual clue on what kind of puzzle are you assembling. So once you're over, you click finish, or you will be automatically redirected once you're done with the puzzle. And the next page is where you will see the results of your activity, the picture that you was assembling, that you were assembling with your individual result and the percentage of completion. And again, you can download the picture or send it to your email. The last page is the call to action page. So in this case, we were inviting participants to check the story of Cadence, and this button, the call to action button, was redirecting people to the website of Cadence platform where people could check the information about corporate culture, the values of Cadence platform, and check any other information. So that's how the experience of playing puzzle looks like, the full experience with the storytelling page, with the call to action page. Now let's go back to your account where we will go and create a puzzle ourselves. So as you can see, the results appeared on the ranking boards, my 53% of completion. And let's go back to your accounts and create a new puzzle. So if you want to create the new one, you just click new engager, you choose the puzzle as a type of engager, you create name for your puzzle, and you click save. So what you have here, you have a standard structure of every engager that we have, the welcoming screen, the attendee collection data, the storytelling page, the engager task, in this case, this is the puzzle, and the special offer page. So you just go one by one, slide by slide, and you populate each slide with data. You upload the logos, you create the titles, you upload the images, you choose if you want to share the engager with the QR code on it, or you want to put the start button in a way like we had for Cadence experience. What you can also do, you can choose the theme for your engager. We have certain number of templated themes, black and white and blue, white and red, black and yellow, and you can also customize the theme in a way you want by clicking on the pencil over here and choosing the precise color that you want to use for your engager. So the primary color is responsible for backgrounds, buttons, icons, and the secondary color is responsible for fonts, borders, and puzzle engager pieces. The third color is applicable to the map engager and to word search engager, so you wouldn't need it in this case for the puzzle. Okay, so another important option here is that you can allow multiple plays. So if you don't put anything here, by default, all of the attendees will have only one chance to complete the puzzle, so they wouldn't be able to play twice. If you want to allow multiple plays, you should put the check mark here, and you can also choose how many times you allow them to play, the participants to play. You can put any number here. If you don't put anything here, by default, the participants will have unlimited amount of plays. Uh, you can also choose if you want to switch on or switch off the storytelling page. And the same thing is applicable for the call to action page. You can choose if you want to switch it off or switch it on. If you want to activate the call to action button over here, you just click on it, you create the label for it, and you input the link that you want to embed into the call to action button. Again, this link might lead to any place you want. It can be a lead generation form, it can be a website of your sponsor, or it can be a special landing page. So wherever you want, you can input into this button. So when it comes to the creation of the puzzle, over here you just have to upload any picture from your desktop, and you can adjust it by zooming in and zooming out, and that's how you get your puzzle picture. So literally it takes a couple of minutes to create a puzzle game, supplemented with the storytelling, with the branding, and call to action, and you will get a ready to use engager. So then you click save once you're done with all of the content uploads, and your engager will appear on your dashboard on the top of it. So you can activate it from this place. With that, I would like to conclude the tutorial on how to create the puzzle engager. And thank you for your attention, and we'll see you in the next video.